particular integral of the differential equation, this we have to find. Normally we have to ask about general solution or complementary function. So particular integral is very important topic in ordinary differential equation. So you can see in this differential equation what is the purpose of asking particular integral in this differential equation. X square, and this order of differential coefficient is 3. This is x and this is square. Here x is not present, but differential coefficient is present. Also, this right hand side log is involved. So this differential equation on saying same complicated. So what is the working procedure of solving this differential equation? So first multiply this differential equation by x y, because of all x reached x exponent of x and differential coefficient, order of differential coefficient will become same. Here will be 3 and dx cube plus x square d2y dx square minus 6x dy over dx plus 6y equal to x ln x plus 1 divided by x. Somehow right hand side becomes simpler. Also you can say powers of x and order of differential coefficient is now same. So this type of differential equation we replace x by e raised to the power z. This is substitution we use in this type of differential equation. So in variable type, so z can be written as ln x. So this differential equation can be written in terms of capital D, which is the differential coefficient. So d minus 1, d minus 2 plus d minus 1 minus 6d plus 6y equal to right hand side as x ln x plus 1 divided by x. Normally we call this as fd, means function of d. So there is no need to write auxiliary equation because we are not interested to find complementary function. We are only interested in finding particular integral. So particular integral will be in terms of z, you can write right hand side also. So right hand side can be written as x equal to e raised to the power z ln x is z plus 1 divided by e raised to the power z, and this one can be written as z plus e raised to the power minus z. So this is right hand side, new right hand side. So particular integral will be right hand side as z plus e raised to the power minus z divided by fd. So this one can be written as z or e raised to the power minus z fd plus z fd. As you can see, fd is this, and this term is of the type e raised to the power ax. Value of a is minus 1, so replace d with minus 1 if fd is not equal to 0. So after putting minus 1, you can see this fd is not 0, so it will be e raised to the power minus z upon minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 and minus 1 plus 2. So you can put in fd. So this is we have, or this fd can be written as like in terms of factor. So you can write d minus 1, d minus 3, and d plus 2. So I use this line to write this one. You can use this one also. There is no calculation. So z upon fd is use expanded form. It can be d cube minus 2d square minus 5d plus 6. This is fd in expanded form. So e raised to the power minus z upon this is 8. We obtain it from this one in denominator. So I can write d cube minus 2d square minus 5d plus 6 inverse z. So we are interesting to make this 1 plus x raised to the power n type format. So take 6 as a common. So this one can be written as e raised to the power z minus z upon 8 plus 1 upon 6 outside. It will become 1 plus d cube minus 2d square minus 5d upon 6, and this is power 1 minus 1, and this is z. So you can write because this is z, so only 1 plus nx it will work, and other higher terms there is no need to write. So why no need to write, you can see in next step. This uh, pre-knowledge will come you after experience or doing some problems related particular integral. So this is 1 upon 6, and this one can be written as 1 plus nx. So it will be 5d plus 2d 5d plus 2d square minus dq upon 6, and so on z. So this d is a differential operator d over dx. So derivative of z, this will be 1. So only this d will work, and other higher order terms will go to 0. So e raised to the power minus z upon 8 plus 1 upon 6, 1 plus 5 upon 6, and take z inside, so z will be here. So this is 5 upon 6. So solve this one. It will be e raised to the power minus z. E raised to the power minus z can be written as 1 upon x, as I use substitute here. So 1 upon 8x plus 1 upon 6, and z can be written as e raised to the power, sorry, z can be written as ln x plus 5 upon 6. So this is our particular integral. I can write again so you can see clear. Ln x plus 5 upon 6. So this is answer.